Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited to introduce a game-changing tool that is DIY Strategy Builder ZP. This powerful script includes 30 plus popular indicators like EMA cross, VWAP, Super Trend, RSI, MACD, and many more indicators. The logic behind this is to generate a real-time buy and sell signals. We have to customize the indicator by only keeping EMI 50 and 200 and range filter and pivot levels for the better results. We'll see that how the indicator after this modification is that gives the results. We'll see that.
Namaste, India. Time is already here now.
See, once it is the indicator you are clicked, that is QQE indicator, it will give that the display like this setup. So we have to check, we have to click this that indicator setting, and first you have to uncheck the show dashboard. For example, if you see that the dashboard which is that displayed here will give you that what are the indicator we have selected, range filter, confirmation indicator, and all those that information will give you by default. But we have to uncheck because that there is no need, because we are going to set inside the indicator. And after that uncheck the show dashboard, if you scroll down, we have to click that EMI filter. That EMI filter, instead of 200, we have to make this into 50. Then move on to that the next indicator you have to uncheck, that is rational, that is no need. We have to check that only the range filter will give you that range for the day. And after that we have to go to the down. There it is, switchboard will give you that turn on and off overlay indicators. In that we have to unclick that whatever the default setting is there. Only we have to click what exactly we needed. In that we are going to use only EMA, then range filter, and Fibonacci and pivot levels. For example, if you want to Fibonacci or maybe super trend or maybe VWAP, you can click, and based on that clicking, it will give you the result, that dashboard in the display. But as of now, for the setting for clear cut direction, I'm using only EMA, range filter, and pivot levels. Then if you go down, we click that Fibonacci. In case of Fibonacci, it is by default. Pivot level. In case of pivot level, by default it's given traditional. There are many pivot way of setting, but I can go only with the Camarilla pivot. The Camarilla pivot will give you the day support and resistance and pivot value. So by here it is the time frame. It's auto. Just keep it as that auto by generating that results based on the chart. And the number of pivot back, you can keep 1 or 2. It depends on your style of trading. Then after that we have to go to the downside, and width of that pivot level, I can keep it for that for a better that clear vision. I can increase the width to 2 instead of 1, and I want to keep this label in the right side for the better understanding. So here you can see that the support level up to 5 and resistance level up to 5. So after clicking this you can click OK, because this indicator covers more than 30 plus indicators, and it is very, very useful for the traders, which is those who are doing accurate trading in intraday. So once it is, this indicator is over, and I am that after seeing that this will give you the results like this. For example, this can be used for any other platform, not only for Nifty and Bank Nifty. It can be suited for even stocks for the intraday and for the long run, and mid cap, Fin Nifty, and all the indices. It gives a better result. Here you can see that the range filter give a sell signal, and the signal also give a short. So then it is a short position, and immediately after that range filter color change into green, and once again the signal also give a long result. Here you can see that we have included 200 EMA and 50 EMA. So based on the 250 EMA, it gives the results. So we have to stick on this indicator for the intraday, but we have to get that clear information confirmation whether it is the indicator work in a proper way or not. We have to add one more indicator. So that one more indicator is QQE mod. So once you click that indicator, you have to say change that little bit changes according to whatever I made changes. By default it will be RSI length is 6, and I keep that as a 6, and in case of RSI smoothing it is 6, so I reduce to 4, and QQ factor it's around 2, I reduce to 1.8, and threshold it is by default it is 3, I change into 2.8. So if you made all those changes, the indicator will give you the better result. After making this change, you can click OK. Then the indicator is ready for trading. You can see that how this QQE mod aligned with the DIY. For example, here you can see that the indicator gives, in case of Nifty, long signal, that range filter also change into green color. And once it is change into green color, here it is the RSI threshold from red to green. So that means it's a buy signal, and the signal also here it is buy signal, and the black one is 200 EMA, and the buy, they say the money, the price is above the 200 EMA. So this is the confirmation is given. Here you can see that the red dots means if the direction is not false, it will give you the same one, and again it will go the same thing only. Here you can see that the indicator work is perfect in 1 minute, 5 minutes, and 15 minutes, and 1 hour. To get the better result, only stick on to higher time frame, you can get the better result. So as I told you, initially you have to do this back test only with the paper trading. Once you get that the results are fine, then you can go for live trading. And if you like this video, you can share and like and keep supporting. Thank you so much.